Hi, Carl Comp here, Larry H. Miller, Volkswagen of Tucson. Welcome to my service department. When you pull in, you're going to be greeted by one of our service advisors who will take all your information. Now I'd like to introduce you to my excellent service staff. We've got Sam down here, we've got Andrew, Travis, and Sean, all here just waiting to take care of you. And here at Larry H. Miller Volkswagen, we've got technicians that are certified master technicians. Terry here, he's been working on cars for over 40 years. We've got plenty of experience here to work on your value vehicle.
My name is Samuel Miller, and I'm a service advisor here at Larry H. Miller Volkswagen Service Department. And I'm going to show you our awesome, well-stocked waiting area while you're getting your vehicle serviced. We've got awesome chairs, free TV, free Wi-Fi, cold stocked water bottles, a snack basket set up over there for you, some free popcorn as well. And if you don't want to wait in our waiting area, that's fine. We're going to take care of you wherever you want to go by using Uber Business. We pay for it for you so you can go where you want to go. We look forward to servicing your vehicle next time. Thanks for choosing us.